Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share a question or a post on the quora.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on the home button at the top next to the Quora button in the left side. And if you would like to share a particular post, just scroll down to the bottom and click on this share button. As you can see, you can type in your own comment that you would like to add to this post that you are sharing. You can also select the availability and click on the share button down below to share your post. So here you can see that it has been shared successfully. So if you would like to unshare it, just tap on this more button and click on the delete post down below. Tap on confirm and it will be deleted from your page. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.